Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's workshop. So today I have to share some unpleasant news with you, dolls. I have had a problem getting my Dollhouse tour video into my studio for it to load today. I had to start over the process and I thought it was ready to go, and it was not. I realized I had to start the process all over, which means that it will not, based on what I'm looking at, it's not going to be available to publish this afternoon, or it's 7:30 this evening. So I just wanted to come on here and let you dolls know. If it loads sooner, I will post it. If not, I definitely will have it up tomorrow. It will load the same time, 7:30, 7:45 tomorrow. But we've had some problems with the weather, which has been affecting my internet. So that's what I believe has happened. It wasn't anything with YouTube. It has to do with the weather here, the internet, and just how the processing goes with the system. So I do apologize to you, dolls. I do apologize. I hope you can understand, and definitely I appreciate your patience in advance. And I just want to thank each and every one of you for being here, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.